Day 5 of learning IK setup. Trying to understand IK versus FK. FK, move one bone, and the whole squad follows. And IK, move the end bone, and Blender solves the puzzle. Set up lag IK. Let's pretend I know what I'm doing. Go to Edit Mode and select the tail of the leg bone. Now press E and Y to extrude. This will be the controller for the leg. Rename it as you like, but don't forget to add .L. Now go to Pose Mode and select the end leg bone. Go Bone Constraint tab. Add Inverse Kinematics. In Target, select your armature. In Bone, select your controller bone. And we're done. IK setup is ready. Time. I forgot one thing. Make sure all the controller bones you made for IK are unparented. Now let's fix this. Select IK leg and change chain length from 0 to 2. Woo, it works. Now I can finally stop blaming Blender. Time to create a pole target, because even these need direction in life. Go to Edit Mode, select Bone Joint, press E and Y. Important step, unparent the pole bone. Let it be single and independent. Maintain distance. Rename it and add .L. Blender loves organized bones. Go to Pose Mode. Select IK bone and go to Bone Constraint. Set pole target to pole controller bone.
Huh?
Let's fix it. In pole angle, set a value that works. In most cases, it's 90 or minus 90 degree. I used 90. All set. Now let's test it out.
Yeah, boy!
One more thing. Let's stop that foot from sinking into the ground. Go to Edit Mode. Select the foot bone, then the IK controller Control P and keep offset. Let's hope it works.
Yeah, boy!
Let's fix foot disconnecting when I move the body up. For this, we need to add one more constraint. Copy location constraint to the foot bone. In Target, select your armature. In the Bone section, select your shin bone. This tells Blender where to stick the foot. Blender snaps it to bone's head by default. Set head-tail slider to 1 so the foot sticks to the shin's end. One last tweak. Go to Edit Mode. First select pole bone, then lag IK controller. Control P keep offset. All set. Now let's test that IK setup.
Yeah, boy!
Let's apply it to the other leg with the power of Symmetrize. Go to Edit Mode, select your IK leg, right-click, Symmetrize. Here it is. Final IK setup done. Time for the ultimate test.
Como não posso? Quem encheu minha cabeça de sonho? Quem me fez treinar até meus ossos quase se batirem? Quem me negou o meu destino?